Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the most effective step-by-step roadmap to achieve English fluency. Yes, I have come up with this wonderful video in which you will see that how to become fluent in English, how to become strong in English in just 1 or 2 months time.
Be strong.
My dear friend, learning English is a wonderful skill. When you learn English, people love you, people respect you, people gives more value to you. And in the society, you get name, fame and money. And in this fast-paced world where everything is super fast, I have come up with this video to tell you that yes, it is possible to improve your English. It is possible to improve your fluency in 1 or 2 months time.
It is possible.
However, you need to be very consistent. You need to be focused. You need to be dedicated. And that will help you to reach your goal. आपका गोल क्या है? आप क्या बनना चाहते हो? सब कुछ आप हासिल कर पाओगे when your English is strong. So please watch this video till the end and I'm sure you will get a lot of idea. But before we start, I have one question for you. Do you know what is the opposite of the word friend? If you know, please do comment. Now let's begin with today's video. I'm sharing with you week by week process. First week, second week, third week and fourth week. What you need to do to become fluent in English. So let's dive into the first week. On the first week, you have to give more importance to immersion and listening. Daily listening practice. You need to do at least for 1 hour. So you have the question, well, I listen every day, but it is not helping me. My dear friends, there is a different way of listening. Firstly, let me tell you what to listen. You need to listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or radio shows. Choose topics that interest you to maintain motivation. Now comes how to listen. Whenever you listen, remember that you need to be focused, totally focused on your listening skill. What the speaker is speaking, how they are speaking, everything you need to focus and grab it. Also, focus on different accent and their pronunciation to improve comprehension. This is a great thing to do. When you listen carefully, you understand their accent, you understand how they pronounce different things, and that helps you to improve your fluency and pronunciation. You can also do shadow practicing. Shadowing technique is a wonderful thing. On the first week, you can do this. Select short audio clip for 2 to 3 minutes. Then what you will do? Listen and repeat immediately after the speaker. How they pronounce, where they give a pause, where they smile, do everything what they do. And that will help you a lot. On the first week itself, you need to watch movies and TV shows. Watch English movies and shows with subtitles. And after a few days, if you feel that the subtitles is not required, you are able to understand without subtitles, you can just remove the subtitles and watch without that. You need to pay more attention to conversational phrases and slangs. Let me share with you 5 slangs which you can learn for your benefit. Got it? Comes the second week. What you need to do here? You need to improve your speaking practice. Daily speaking practice for at least 1 hour. Engage in conversation with native speakers. Try to have conversation with people who are good in English. I'm sure you know many who have good command over English. जैसे आपका friend हो, आपका relatives, आपका neighbor. जाइए, बात कीजिए, and you see your English will also develop. Online भी आप try कर सकते हो. There are different platforms like HelloTalk, Tandem. This platform will give you coach or tutors or speakers who are good in English and you can talk to them. You can also do the technique which is called record yourself. Choose a topic and speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Record and listen to identify areas of improvement. How is your pronunciation? How fluent are you? Where you are stucking? Where you are facing difficulties? After you are finished with the recording, listen to that and work on those. Let me give you a few topics which you can try speaking of your own. You can also use language learning apps. Utilize apps like Duolingo, Bubble, Pimstware that focus on speaking skills. Let's move on to the third week. Third week, you need to give importance in expanding vocabulary and grammar. My dear friends, vocabulary is the key to improve your English, to become fluent in English. So, learn new vocabulary daily. At least 5 to 10 new words. Focus on phrases and idiomatic expressions relevant to your interest or daily life. Let me share with you few idioms which you can learn. Also, you need to practice grammar in context. Write daily journal entries or essays on various topics. Focus on using new vocabulary and current grammar. There are some websites, let me share with you, like Grammar Monster or Ego for You. You can go to this website and try improving your grammar. Yes, another important thing is that engage in role play. Practice common conversational scenarios. Example, ordering food, making small talk with a partner or tutor. Whenever you go to a stall, any shop, speak to them in English. That will build your confidence, that will build your fluency. Fourth week, real world practice and feedback. This is an online world. Everything is done online in your computer, laptop, mobile phone. So, engage in online forums or discussion groups about topics you enjoy. There are sites like Reddit or Quora. Use this platform. You will improve a lot. You will get people from all across the world who share their views, their ideas. You can also use those platforms. Comment and respond to others in English to practice writing and thinking in English. At the end of the day, whenever you are free, write down your thoughts. What's going in your mind? How was your day? What is your plan for the next day? And this is how you will improve your English overall. Your thinking skill will improve. Thinking in English skill is very important to improve our fluency, my dear friend. So I always give importance to thinking skill. The more you think in English, the more your English becomes. So this is a great way to start thinking in English. Develop writing habit. Again, another great way to improve your English is to seek feedback. If you really want to improve your English, you have to seek feedback. When people tell you that your English is not good, you need to work on that. Don't feel bad. Work on those weaknesses. Ask for corrections and advice on improving your fluency. Also, you can attend event, meetups or workshops conducted in English. These small things will give you big result. So before I end, I just want to tell you a few more important things. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for daily practice, even if it is just for 30 minutes. You need to stay motivated. Celebrate your progress. Be patient. Fluency takes time. Focus on gradual improvement rather than perfection. My dear friends, keep practicing and your English will improve. If you have any question, you can ask me. I will see you again. Thank you.